Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to edit toolpaths that's already been created. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, yeah, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on RouterCAM's features. If you're welcome to follow it, look in the description and follow along if you want to do so. Otherwise, when it comes to the actual features over here, or the edit the tools, we'll quickly set up a quick tool and then I'll show you how to edit them. So now, let's say we want to drill these holes. I'm going to click on the actual drill. And then let's set the final depth to -4. And we say OK, and then we will see on our toolpaths we have now this new option for drilling. Now let's say we want to edit that. I actually made it too deep, so then if I have this selected and we click on the tool again, drilling, you will see now it is giving us -2 and the name is now drilling 2. So what that is doing is it actually wants to add a new tool. So we say cancel there, so that is not the way we want to do that. So how you actually want to change this is make sure you have the relevant one selected on your toolpaths layers, and you right click and you can go edit. Now we can see over here it says -4. So it is something to get used to, that you have to right click edit if you want to change the parameters for the settings you've already set up. Now there's obviously a few other things we can do on this layer panel for the tools. If we hover over the tool, we can see all its settings. So if you're not sure, instead of going into edit, you can just hover and look. You can see all the different things. So we can see the safe height, all of that. Then also you can right click it and you can generate. If you want to generate a 3D view or a G-script, you just click generate there. You also delete it if you're not happy with it. Simply click that and it will remove that tool function. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the editing existing tools. And if we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.